How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So now let's get started. First, what you'll have to do is make sure that you have both of your iPhones ready, and on the one that you want to transfer your data, you'll have to go to settings and make sure that you reset and restore your iPhone. So to do that, go to your settings, go to general and scroll down all the way. Now there you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on erase all content and settings. So right here, tap on continue, and after you do that, follow along. You'll need to type in your password and so on, and then you will have erased everything from this iPhone. So now let's imagine that this is another iPhone from which you want to transfer your data. Now all you need to do is, after the new initial page loads up in the other phone, the new one that you want to send your data to, what you'll have to do is just take this phone closer to that, make sure both of your devices are connected to the internet, and you have turned on the Bluetooth. So after you've done that, just bring it close, and after doing so, what will happen is it will automatically open up like this. So you will get the option to transfer your iPhone. Just select on it and you will get to scan the phone right there. So now what you'll have to do is you can either authenticate manually or scan it. After doing so, you will get a code. You can use the verification code, and after you do that, you'll just have to type in your Apple ID and password on the new iPhone, and your transfer will begin, and it's that simple. So that is how you transfer your data from iPhone to iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video.